Hi, Rishu. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
It's been 5 days. Is it?
Mm, yeah,
Okay. We will wait for others, okay?
okay.
Okay, if possible, after that, you can share your screen and you can share your work, no? Share your screen and show something you learned in previous days. Kanu.
Yeah, I'm doing it now. And the first one is temperature one. We did the temperature.
Okay,
Second page, I did the mean, and
super.
I forgot the third page.
Oh, you forgot. Okay. I think you have to find the biggest number from the given two values. Is it?
I don't remember. I did.
Okay, run it and the program. Okay, 5 plus 32. Two digit, give any two digit. Okay, zero degree, zero. Ah, yeah, 32. Very good. Next, mean value. Okay, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 2. So
Two equals 4.5.
4.5. Okay, it came to the point something. So no problem. It's the initial state. Give any odd value. Sorry, even value.
Okay.
Greetings, Monish and Akilan. Okay, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So main value is 5. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. End the program. So you need to write only one thing, that is the to find the biggest value from the given value. Is it?
yeah.
Okay. Super. Then, Monish, it's been 5 days, no? So, what did you do? What did you do in your holiday? Did you try
Uh,
anything? Did you show something? Did you showed already something?
I did the homework, I guess.
Wow. ఇంకా లేదు బా
Share your
అంటే
screen
వీళ్ళు
and
చేసి
run
స్ట్రైక్
it.
అంటే వాళ్ళు తిన్నాను కదా
Arishma,
తిన్నాను
you can mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Monish, is that possible to share your work?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Wow. You did in different way. Very good. So give any number, two numbers. Okay, 50 and 85. Is it 56 plus 85? Is it? Okay, the mean value is 70.5. Okay, the highest value. Okay, from that value you calculated. Super, Manish. You used
The,
given input for two those things. Okay. Convert the okay Celsius to in Fahrenheit. Super, Kana. Super. I'm satisfied, but you need to change the font uh, because I can't able to clearly see clearly. Okay.
oh, okay.
The button font is okay. Label you can give different font. Otherwise, it's okay. But inside the text box, you should change the font. Clear font you need to
Okay.
show in different color anything. Okay, nice. Otherwise, so nice. You can change your form title also. That is form one. No, you can change some work calculate, you can change according to your work, okay? In later on.
Okay.
Okay. Super, Kanna. Super. You can stop your screen now. Akilan, what about you? Share your camera, come to online.
you're not providing.
Okay.
Okay.
But I mean, if you want, I will send the sign up. But if you ask me first, I want an explanation from Anu.
Wow. Hmm.
Yeah.
Looks like
Or else give me some
hacker.
No, no. Jen is asking me whether we are good. He's saying.
Akilan, looks like you are a hacker.
So can you summarize what mismatches we see? I will just let Jen know.
Okay. Okay, you can mute yourself and share your work. I will
So
respond. Wow. Wow, super. The form was so nice. So enter the first number, enter the second number. I can see it clearly whether it is small or big. The font size you need to give bigger. Okay. 5 and 5. The mean value is 5. Very good. Very good. Next, go to that. Next tab. You should change your tab font also. You should change your font, sorry, caption of the tab. Enter the Celsius 32 something or 0. Okay, you didn't write the code in the change event. Okay, you wrote the code in the button event. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So when you click the button, it will show the Fahrenheit along with the text. You need to show not just you just show your answer with the text Fahrenheit is, you should say like that. Give 0 Celsius, 0. Yeah, 32. Okay, very good. Very good, Kana. Super. All are doing great. Super. So you can stop your screen. Today we can see the console based application. Okay, through that we can, I will share my screen. Wait a minute. If you can't hear me clearly, let me know, okay? Okay, Monish, can you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Um, Up to last class, we only see about the tools, okay, the form control, everything we did about the tools, not the console based application. We just try with the toolbox with this test box, label box. Through that, we are learning. So today class, I'm planning to take a logical things. Okay, now here we don't concentrate about on the designs and the code on the event code. Some of the code we write into the event. No, when the button gets clicked, I want to run the particular code. So likewise, we concentrated still now. But today we are going to only see about the pure coding concept, okay, programming skill. For that, we need to create the console based application. So if you want to create a console based application, just go to file, select a new, go to project, select a project. In that project, we actually in last classes, up to last classes, we have selected Windows form application, is it? But today we are going to do console based application, which means console means only text based, that is keyboard based, not mouse event, only the text based, like C programming. We already have you learned C? Have you have you anybody learned C?
Uh,
Oh,
I don't think so.
okay, in that only console-based application we are using actually in C, C++, in everything. Through that console application only we can develop our programming skill. Okay, like if how to do if deal with the if conditions and for loop and while do while everything switch. These are all the basic concept of the programming. So if you want to do that things, it's a very good way to create a console based application. So I am today planning to teach you this console based application. Okay, we lost our last classes. No, yesterday we didn't connect. Day after sorry, day after day before yesterday also we didn't connect. So I just planning to teach you all 3 days class at a stretch. It's easy because you all very smart, so I hope you can able to easily understand. Okay, so console based. So first click file, then go to new. As usual, select the new project. The new project dialog box will be displayed. From that dialog box, you select the console application. Okay, select the console application. Then you can change your application name also. Console based application you can change as you want. Note down the project location where it has been saved. Okay, so I didn't create because I already created console application 1. So in that console application, it will come up with only one module. Like one form will come up with the, when we are creating the Windows based application. No, likewise, when you are trying to create the console based application, it will come up with only one module. In that module, you have module application like this. Module, the module name module 1, then end of the module. Inside the module you can write the sub main function. You can just write the sub main function. In that, inside this main function you can write the code, anything you can write. Okay, this is the format what we are going to do in all the module. So it will come up with the module, and when the module, inside that module you have to write one subroutine that should be called as main. This is the main function because every compiler, every interpreter will start with your application in the main function only. So inside the main function, you can write the code. Okay. So this is our code. I want to show some information. I want to show welcome to our center or hello world. I want to show the message how to show. So we are going to learn the first program, how to print hello world or any message in the console. Okay, for that I just undo it. For that you need to do console dot write. Okay, console dot write. You have to write console, which means if you want to print anything in your console, you just give inside it. This is console dot write, like the class name and the function name. Okay, in Python, you if you want to print anything inside the print, you can give any message. Likewise, instead of print, here we are using console dot write. Inside that function, you just pass your message. What do you want to print? You just pass your message within the double quote. Just pass. Hi, how are you? Anything you can give. How are you doing? Okay, likewise you can give.
For me, it says where it says module print message for you, it says module program.
Okay, yeah, yeah. It will come with the name of module one. When you
Also,
yeah,
um,
when you are creating the first module, I will ask you to create one by one. Okay,
okay.
the first program we will try to run. Okay.
Also, where it says console write for you,
Oh, wait,
for
wait. I will run it and show you. Look here. This is our module. You just forget about all these module. It will come only one module. That is module one. I will take another one. Wait. You get confused, no? So we just save all. Go to new.
the
I'm
code is different.
Yeah, yeah, it's a different because I'm going to teach you all the programming material today. So for that we need console based. Okay, we can see the output. I will show the output in the. It will come up with the console based window. I will show you. So when I clicked new console based model, it will come up with the module one dot vb. You need to select to .vb because a lot of languages that will be supported by .net. So here we need only .vb. Okay. So if you double click on the module one, it will open and come with the some code, default code. This is module name, this is main function. So inside this main function you need to learn how to write, how to print in my console, how to print my message. For that, just type console dot write. This is our method. Inside the method, welcome to the world or hello world, as usual program. Welcome to the world. Okay, this is our code. That's it. Look here, I just saved this application. This is console application 2, module 1. Then if you want to run, if you have more module, you have to set your properties. So which model you want to run. Only one module I have here. So I just select the module 1. Now try to run as usual. Press F5. Look here. Look here, it will go out. It it came it came immediately. It print the particular message, and then it went out because it finished, so you can't see. So but I want to see. No, I want to wait there. I should wait there, then only I can see, able to see the message. For that, you need to you just need to stay there. Okay. So this line, console.read line, it will help you to read some information from the end user. Okay, you are a programmer. Just assume you, Rishu, and Akilan, Rishu, and Monish, three of you, you are a programmer. You just making an application for your end user. Okay, the end user will see the console based application. This is only the practice for the practice to develop your programming skill. In real time, we used only form view only. This kind of application we didn't use in real time. The console based application is used to develop your skill only. Okay. So don't get confused. Just listen and just try
Okay.
to understand. Okay, in real time we should not use this. In real time we use only the forms view. Okay, here we just practice ourselves, that's it. So in this practice, suppose if your end user see the screen, just give a message to them and try to read something in that. So for this line it will try to read something from the end user side, so it will wait for the keyboard input. That time you can see your output. So all the program you should end with console.readline to wait for, to wait there. Okay, it will wait, it will wait for the user keyboard response, because this is console based. No, console based means all text based, only text based. Okay, so it will print a line. After that it will wait to read something from the keyboard. It will wait. So that time you can see your output. Now I'm just save the output. I'm try to run. Look here, now it's saying this is console based application. The DOS commands, if you learn DOS commands, you can able to understand. This is only console based kana. In C program, if you want to develop your programming skill, you should study C programming, then only you can develop your programming skill, not Python. In Python you cannot develop your programming skill. When you are learning C programming only, you can able to develop your programming skill from the base. So in that C++ and C languages, you can see the output like this only. It will use a raw method. It didn't use anything from the operating system. You can just, what you write, you can see the code. If you want to leave some space, you have to write the code. If you want to clear the screen, you have to write this code. Everything, for everything in C. So you can develop your programming skill very well when you are learn C programming. But in real world, directly we didn't use C programming, but indirectly Arduino board and Raspberry Pi, some kind of robotics programs, all the programs, um, all the programs just replica of C only. It's all based on C only. If you are well familiar with the C, you can easily able to understand the robotics code, like Arduino board code, then Raspberry Pi, everything you can easily understand. Okay, okay. Just forget about the output, why it's showing in the black color screen. So you just forget about it. Just try to learn this. Try to learn what it's doing. Okay. So this is the main function. Always it start with the main function. Inside the main function, you can write your code. So what is the code purpose? I want to show my message in the screen. That's it. So for that, you just use console.write. Inside that method, you just pass your message. That's it. But it didn't wait. After printing the message, it will come out from the program because it's ended, no? So you need to wait. For that, you have to write the code. So console.readline is wait. It will wait. It will wait for the user response up to if you until you press the key, until sir, not you, until your user press the key from the keyboard, it will wait there. That time they can see the output easily. So every program you should end with the console.readline. Can you understand? Okay, now we will see the sum of two numbers. Wait a minute. Then try both of you. Sorry, three of you try. What the line ending in the following? Do you want to normalize line ending? Okay. Just I want to close this project. So if you open the solution only, it will take you all the, it will come with all the forms or all the modules. Okay, if you are trying to open the particular module, it will come with the particular module only, not come with the all the module. So always try to open the solution. Okay, so now our module name is, I renamed the module as usual. Just right click on it, select rename, and rename it. Look at the code, console.write, console.write. Within that I gave some code. Okay, in the second message, it won't wait. If I run this file, it won't wait. In the second message, I added the line console dot read line. It keeps the console window open. Why? Because it is making you to wait to receive the input from the end user. That is read line. Write line means like a print. Read line means like a scan the input from the end user. Okay, if you want to read anything from the end user, that time you need to use console.readline. By trick you are using here. That's it. I'm just waiting there at the end of the program. Don't come out immediately. So I'm using the this function as a trick. That's it. Look at next program, you will able to clear. Okay. Okay, inside the submenu, this is my submenu. Inside the sum of two numbers. That is my module name. I renamed it. So sum two numbers. Okay, inside that numbers, first, excuse me, I want to add two numbers, 55, then 99. I want, or 44. I want to add these both line. I want to add these lines, these two numbers. So 99 will be the answer. So you need to read the first number from the end user, and then you need to read the second number from the end user. Then you have to move the particular value inside one container. The given value, first value 55, you need to store in any container. Then you need another container, that is memory location. Inside that container, you need to store the second number. Okay, this container is called variable. Okay, this and this. Okay. I will fill it with a green line. This is called variable. Variable, that is memory allocation with the name. It is variable name. So how to allocate the memory space? I want to store integer, which means whole number, positive or negative number. For that, here you need to use a dimension. Okay, dim is the keyword to create a variable here. Variable name, you should have some rules. You should not leave some space, num1. You should not show like this. You can use, instead of space, you can use underscore. You should not use special characters like this. Special characters means these are all the special characters you should not use in your variable name. You should not use the keyword. If is the keyword, for is the keyword. Okay, dim also is the keyword. You should not use that keyword. Okay, so just give the name normally, num1. Then what you want to save? So you need to type the data type. Data type means what type of data you are going to store. So you need to mention it as an integer. I want to store integer number. Then second number, I just named it as n1, not num1. Likewise, dim n2 as integer. This is my second variable. So I have allocated, which means I have allocated two variables in the same data type, integer, same data type. I just allocate the memory space and name that n1 and n2. Name this. Okay. Likewise, if you want to store the result, you can create another variable also as integer. So it will create the another variable, that is sum. This is the result where we are going to store our answer. So the name of the Sorry. The name of the variable is sum. Case sensitive, if you put small letter or capital letter in the declaration, it will follow it automatically. Okay, so likewise you can declare the same kind. So dim, you just allocate the memory space. This is called variable declaration. This is command, variable declaration. Variable declaration means what? You are allocating the memory space and name the memory space as num1, num2, sum. Now, how many memory location do you have? Three memory location do you have? What are they? Num1, num2, sum. Inside this memory space, what you can able to store? Integer, which means number you can store. Okay, likewise float is there. Like if you want to store point value, that time you need different data type. If you leave one space leave one space, it will give more data type. If I press FLO, sorry, double is there for a point value. Integer also is there. If you move the particular value, it will show. Integer also there. String, we can store anything inside the string. String also there. Three main data type: integer, double, and string. That's more than enough for you. So integer. Okay, Monish and Akilan, Rishu, can you understand what is this? If you want to need any memory location using dim, you can declare the variable. Can you able to
Okay.
understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in that?
No.
No. Very good. Monish, what about you? Monish, are you there?
I understand.
Okay. Thank you, Pa. Then after that, you need to store something inside. You need to receive the input from the end user, your end user. Okay. Your end user, you need to receive the input and store inside it. Again, read the input in store inside the num2. For that, you just give the information. Without information, they won't give anything because they don't know what to do. Okay, they don't know what to do. So what is the application? Console.read line. So if you want to read anything from the end user, you just put console.read line. Already we saw, no? If you want to read anything, I want to store inside the num1. That's it. If you try to read like this, if you try to read like this, they won't get anything. They won't get any message. So they can't understand what is going on. They can't understand. I try to run. Before that, I need to set my application running state, sum of two numbers. So go to the properties, project properties, click the project properties, and set the startup form as sum number 2. Okay, just close it. Go to your application. Now try to run, save it. Ah, yeah. After creating the memory location, num1 equal to console read line. So if you give, they don't know what to do. So you should create the user friendly application, which means you should guide your end user what to do in the screen. Every step you have to guide. So before the read line, you have to give some instruction to the user. For that, type console dot write line. Write line, just to give the messages, enter the first number. That's it. This is our first input. So before read line, always give write line. Before read line, always give write line. That is the good practice. Okay. Now try to run. It will convert for now. The instruction is there, so the user can able to understand what to do. They can understand. We need to give some number here, so they will type 45. So after reading 45, you should read the second number also. Okay. So for that, again, console. Akilan, can you try the second number? What should I need to type? console, or anyone. Munish also can try.
Right line.
Okay, right line. Inside that,
And then num2.
yeah, enter second
Oh
number.
yeah, the second num,
Hmm.
and then it's a num2
Very good. Num2 equal to,
console or yeah, console dot read line.
okay, console dot read line. Very good. So after reading the both number, we just adding together and stored inside our sum. Then we need to print, no, how to print again right line. So for wait on the console at last, so I gave console dot read line, then only it will show you, it will wait for keyboard input. That time you can see your answer. The sum of number is, but here we have one problem. No problem, we will write, we will try to run, then we will correct it, okay, later. Console dot write line, the sum is, this is the string, okay, this is integer, so I want to combine both together, so I put ampersand, it will combine both together. This is string, this is integer, so the answer will combine with the sum is, the answer will print here, okay. The here sum is a variable name, here sum is just a text, you can give anything, the result is, you can print like this also. So I'm trying to run. Okay. So I just want to give 45, then 35. What will be the output? 45 plus 35.
80.
Okay, I'm going to press enter. So it will receive the two input, already it received. So now it's going to add both num1 and num2 and store inside the sum. Then it need to print the message to us. So look the screen. I'm going to press enter. So the 80 will come. But in some case, you you declared here integer, so you didn't face any problem. Suppose if you are having facing any problem, you need to convert it. For the conversion only, look here. Okay, look here. After reading the input, if you want to convert into integer, just using the class name, convert dot your function name to int 32 bit range. So to int 32, inside that you need to pass the particular value. So suppose if you need, you can use this, okay. I just comment it. Okay, this is our program, okay. Now three of you going to open console based application. In the first module you have to show your about yourself, just to make it a neat print like this. I want to show message like this. I want to show the message like this. I need a line here about myself, and here name, uh, Monish, then father name likewise. You just say about yourself in different line, okay. Then after finishing about you, just put one line, then wait for output, wait, read line, it will wait. I can see your output, okay. First module you have to do, you have to print about yourself to the end user. In the second module you have to find the addition of two numbers, and then the subtraction difference of two numbers, of product of two numbers you have to print, okay. Then modulus operator is mod n1 mod of n2, likewise you can use, okay, it will give the reminder. Now share your screen and start your work. How to do? Go to file, new project, Select console based application. That's it. Okay. I will stop my screen.
Can you show? Can you share the code again?
Okay. I will show the code again.
I wanted to see the bottom of it.
Okay. Take the print, take a
Wait,
screenshot, anything.
wait, can you scroll up? It's the one above the what says yeah console. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Take the print screen.
Can you also send the let me see the design. Is that design?
What can I couldn't able to understand.
Is there a design for it?
Oh,
I forgot. Oh, there wasn't any.
share your screen. I'm going to stop my screen. One by one share. Okay. First, who wants to share? I will see. Rishu, you can share, or Monish, you can share, or Akilan, anybody share your screen. Others also doing. Just start doing.
okay. I'll share my screen.
Okay, you share.
Not sure fast. You can all share at the same time. Like a really good idea.
Okay, I think Akilan is sharing.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Writing fast, so much, super. Inside, oh, you are using the
Yeah, that it's something different. Like my one's different.
oh dot VB. I couldn't able to see the first thing. File, click new. I will see the moon screen now. File new. Wait and click. Okay, Kanna. Wait and click. Console based. Where is console based?
So like somewhere here.
You need to select Visual Basic. You should select Visual Basic. Don't change the language. Then click the Windows. Next option. Is there any control based? No, no. Click the desktop. Is there any
This one.
console? Yeah, console based. Click that. Okay, it came console up. Okay, select and click OK. Down the option, select that and click. Okay, console app. So click create. You can leave with the default name, no problem. It come up with correct one, but why
Yeah.
Akilan has different view? Hmm?
I did the same thing as Mooney.
Oh, okay, it's
Yeah,
okay.
I'll
You write the
file
code, we will
new
see.
project.
It's looks like Java. It's come up with some string
Is
argument.
it this one?
You can try again.
I'm going to delete this part or something. Is it console
Uh,
application?
yeah, inside main you can type Kana Monish inside main inside
Okay.
submain. Just start your code.
Bushi, we saw that. Okay.
So what?
Is it console application?
Yeah, here don't doesn't bother about the just doesn't bother about the output.
Very
The
really
way
nice
it's
thing.
showing here. Here we no need to design anything. Just write the code. That's it. Only code side we are concentrating.
Oh my god, he needs a shutter.
Console dot write line. It will give the option when you are writing the code. Variable declaration. That is the comment, Kanna. You need not to type that, but if you want to mm, know the code clearly, you can give the comment. No problem. No need to erase. No need to erase. No need to erase. It's a information to you know, but you should know about that. I just gave for the information. That is not the code actually. Okay, dim. Dim is the keyword, not dim1. Dim is the keyword. Num1. Num1 is the variable name, integer. Press enter. Then num2, create num2. This is variable declaration. You are doing variable declaration. Okay, next is sum. You can make it as a, instead of sum, you can make it as a answer. ANS. You are going to store, okay, sum, okay, as integer. So you have allocated three memory space and named them num1, num2, and sum. Okay, after that, come down. Okay, okay, console dot write line. Wish you can meet yourself.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So inside double quotes, you can give your message to the user. Enter the first number or enter number one. Anything you can tell to your end user. Colon, leave one space. Yeah. Next line. Console.read line. Where you want to store? Inside the num1. So num1 equal to console.read line. Where you want to store? Just put that line. Very good. Next, the same way as we did for num1, you should do for num2 also. So you need to give information to the user before reading num2. Very good. Console.write line. The same way you need to give the information to the end user before reading the input. Okay. Then they can easily understand. E capital letter. You should come in. It will looks nice. Second number, no, not the first number. Already we read the first number, so we need to read second number. Colon space. Space, leave one space after colon. That looks nice. Okay. So now read the second number. Where you want to store? Inside the num2. So num2 equal to, again, how to read? Using the read line. How to call the read line? You should call along with the console. So console dot not write line. You should read the input from the end user. So console dot read line. That's it. Opening closing parenthesis, because this is a function. Okay. Now you need to add the both the number and store inside the sum. So sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Akilan, you do with for three numbers instead of two numbers. Just try to add three numbers. Okay?
Three. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Monish, you can also do that. Okay? After finishing this, try. We should note it down. Console dot write line. Very good.
And
Mm.
my code works.
Within double quotes. Yeah, I'm seeing your screen also, Akilan. I will check it. Wait. The result is, so if you want to concatenate your result with the string, just after quotation give ampersand space, leave one space. After quotation, leave one space is correct. Space is correct. Leave one space. After quotation, amp.
How do
Arishu, what kana?
how,
Amp.
how do I open for the console app?
Oh, okay, okay. Share your screen. We will see. For waiting, you need to give console.readline also. Console.readline. Wait a minute, Kanna. I will come with you. Console.readline. Then only it will wait. That time you can see your result. Otherwise, you cannot see. Okay. So you should give readline at the end of every code. Run the code. Save it and run. Yeah, super. Monish did it. Okay. Give the code. Give the number 70 and 30. It will come with 100. It's okay. 21. No problem. Give 22. Give any other number. Okay. Is it correct? It's waiting because of read line. Otherwise, it won't wait. It will go out. So make it for three numbers, Monish. Okay. Stop your screen sharing and make it for three. Stop your screen
I
sharing.
did, I did it for three numbers.
Oh, okay. Monish, you did for three numbers. Okay. You,
Okay, I'll do three.
okay. You stop your screen. This is a Rishu screen. No, wait a minute, Kanna. Akilan, wait for some second. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
I say wah, 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 wah.
create
Shut up.
new project. Click create new project. Vishu, click me create new project. Wait a minute. Don't get urgent. Okay. Just wait for some time. Okay. Here you need to select after the Visual Basic, after the Windows, all project types. No, in there console based application is there. You can select there you can select. Click and click next. Yeah. Leave with the default name console app one. That's it. That's okay. Next, create. Click create.
Yeah, then.
Wait a minute. Wait. Akhil and Monish, once you finished, start with the difference also. After finding the sum, make another variable for difference. From that output, given output, yeah, num1, num2. Make the variable as diff, that is for difference, product for product of two numbers, given numbers, and create quotient
Yeah,
and create reminder also. Super, Kanna.
I got it
Oh,
now.
run, Kanna, run. Hello world. It comes up with the same some code. Huh? You did it right, but it come up with. Wait a minute. Super. But wait. Hello world. So it's waiting. Okay, you need not to write console.readline, but Moon should write to wait, but you should not read to write because it's already waiting. Super. It's different because it's advanced version, no? Instead of running in the terminal, likewise it's run in the PowerShell. So it's waiting. Okay. So add the code. Add the code. Anything after console.write line, you add code some code. Rishu,
Okay.
you add some your name from your city name. Just add the one line extra code after hello world. Write the code after hello world. Yeah.
So after the
Enter,
bucket,
enter inside the main. You can write anything. So just write console.write line. Just print your name from and city. Rishu from which city? Just type the city name.
console dot right line name a city.
Ah, double quotes, within double quotes. Write your name. Double quotes. Type that. Just type Rishu from. R should be in capital letter. No? So Rishu from the particular city name. From the city name. எனக்கு இதுக்கப்புறம் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு.
Yeah.
Okay, run the code, Kanu. Wow, Rishu from Coventry. Okay, where your say your city name?
Hmm?
Say your city name.
Save or say?
So no, no, no. Say your city name. Pronunciation. I want to know the pronunciation of your
Oh, Coventry.
Coventry. Okay, Coventry. Okay, Kanna. Press any key, it will go out. Press
Okay.
any key, it will go out.
Oh,
Inside the terminal, just press any key, enter key, escape key, it will go out. Okay. Now make another module. How to make another module? Do you know? Look here. Where is your project window, Kanna? That's your project explorer. Click click on the project explorer. Only properties windows there. Go to window, you can show easily. Otherwise, go to toolbar, it will show you. Just bring back your project explorer window.
uh-huh.
Click the menu, window menu,
Yeah. Yeah.
window in the inside the Microsoft Visual Studio. Just click the window, Kanna. After
Reverse.
extension, go up. Yeah, that is the window. Click there. Is there any project window? No. Go to view, file, edit, view, third menu. Yeah. Check. Is there any project window? Properties windows there. Like project window. Solution contain the first one. Solution history. Third one. Third one.
Hmm?
Third one. Solution explorer. Um, I can't clearly see clearly. Just click that third option. Left side.
Yeah.
In left side solution locator. Okay. Click the solution in the right top corner. There is a solution locator. No, click that. Right
Well.
side, right side, right side, top side. Come down. Yeah. This is our solution explorer. Right click on the console app. Right click on it. We are going to add new model. Okay, not double click. Right click. I am asking you to right click, not double click. Close it. Again, go to Explorer. The same solution Explorer. Okay. Right click on it and click Add. Where is Add? Search the Add button. Search the Add button. There is Add.
Yeah.
Go to inside it. Select module. Yeah, module, new module. Okay, you can right click and select Add new module. Wait for it. Okay, already module is selected. Click Add. So this is our another module. Okay, inside this, come down arrow, put down arrow. Akilan and Monish also you can see this. So Rishu creating the new module. Inside that module, we are going to type the main function again. So subspace, type subspace, type
Types.
subspace subroutine, which means okay, space main,
How?
main, main. Put double quotes, opening closing parenthesis, sorry, not double quotes, opening closing parenthesis. No, after the main, after the main put opening closing, this is function, Kanna. Opening closing parenthesis. After come to the end, press enter. The end sub is creating. This is our main method. Inside this main method, you can write your code. Here, you need to create the two variables. Okay, dim, type, type first, dim space n1. Your variable name is n1 as integer in, it will come enter enter. Likewise, create n2 sum. Dim n2 as integer. Did you both finish? Akilan and Monish, did you both finish addition, subtraction, multiplication, and
We did
division?
third number.
What?
I did the third one.
Use the same number n1 and n2. You can use the same first two numbers for the subtraction, and just use the first two numbers for the multiplication. Likewise.
Okay.
Okay. Kana next type the code dim sum. Where you want to store? So you need to create another variable. Rishu, can you understand why we are typing dim? We are
Yeah.
allocate the memory space. Okay, that's it. Allocate the memory space and named it.
We're like meant to create like another sub for it.
Tablet போட்டனா liver தான்
Stop
அது
screen
தேவலாம்
sharing.
போடாது.
Are we supposed to create another sub for?
Yes.
Okay.
Light போட்டு போயிடு.
Rishu,
Rishu, share your screen kanna. Akilan, once you have finished, tell me. Let me know. I didn't see your screen
okay.
yet. Rishu, share your screen. Okay. Okay. After creating sum as dim sum as integer. Same way. I will tell you type. Okay. You can understand. Enter. Okay. Now you should read the input from the end user and store inside the N1. For that, you need to give some instruction to the end user. Okay. For that,
Yeah.
using console.writeLine, type console.writeLine within the bracket, give your message. Console.writeLine. Don't leave space after the dot. Okay. Within the parenthesis, within the double quotes, again double quotes, type enter, E capital letter, enter first number. This
And
is enter the first number. This is the instruction to your end user. Okay, Kanna? Then only they will give the first number. Enter the first number. Enter. Okay, enter N1. Very good, Kanna. Very good. As your wish. Colon. Put colon and space. Not semicolon, colon. Space. Leave one space. It will be nice. Okay. Then next line. Then you have to read the information, given information. For that, you should use console.readLine. Where you want to store? Inside the N1. So, after this line, come to the next line. You need to store inside the N1, no, first number. So, N1 equal to N, you should give in the capital letter. If you put small letter, it will automatically take it as a capital letter. When you declared, always it will take that particular space.
yeah.
Console.readLine.
1 second. Console.
Console.readLine. Readline. So it will read the first input. Okay. Likewise, you should do for the second line, second number. Okay. This is function. So you should put to opening closing parenthesis. I think it will take automatically. If you press enter, try to press enter. I think it will put automatic. No, no, it didn't put. So you need to put. Okay. Then come down the same way. Read the second number. How to do? Type it fast, or you can copy.
known as
You need to give the instruction always before you are going to read the input. Always you need to give the instruction to the end user. So enter N2. You can ask enter N2 value anything. Okay, next line. Very good, super. Very good, Kanu. Very good. You are storing in the right place. Using read line, you can read the input, given input. Okay, well done. Within the bracket, put the bracket. Let's say. So after reading, you should immediately add it and store inside the sum. So sum is equal to n plus n2. Okay, the given value you should add. After this line,
yeah.
after reading this line, okay, mute it or no problem. If you want to talk anything, you can unmute yourself. Okay, come to the next line. You are going to finish. Sum is equal to. What should you do? Type. I will no. Equal to. What you need to type? You need to add the given two values. How to do? Yeah, n1 plus n2. Very good. Press enter. Now you should show the input to your end user. How to show the input? Using console.writeLine. That will print the output to the end user. Okay. So if you want to print anything to your end user, just use this line console.writeLine. Console, correct? Console.writeLine is correct. Dot right line within the bracket, within the double quotes, type the sum of two value is within the double quote, the result is double quotes. Within the double quotes you should do. If you put sum alone, it will just print 100. That's it. But you need to show your result along with some text. Okay, the sum is equal to, okay, after the double quotes put ampersand to concatenate both these. After put ampersand, then your variable name sum. Type ampersand 8 shift 7. Press shift 7, it will come. Shift 7, not 8, sorry. Yeah. Space, leave one space. Then type sum. Your variable name also sum. Okay. You can print instead of sum result equal to, you can print like that also, but here your variable name should be sum. Okay, after this you need to wait for some time, so that time you need to use console.readline, but you are using advanced version. I think you and Akilan, you are using advanced, so it doesn't, no need to put read line. I think it automatically waiting for you after the print the line. Okay, so try to run it. Before try to run, set your project properties, go to project menu. After the git, go to project, go to project. Yeah, that's it. Go to last option, console app 1 properties, that is your project properties. In there you need to set your startup form as a, click general startup form.
I've,
Oh,
I've done subtraction.
there is no any startup. uh, Wait Kana, wait Monish, image,
Okay.
wait. Okay, try to run. Why it doesn't show any startup form? Go to application, not reference Kanna. Go to application in general, come down. Yes, give yes. Give yes. You gave no. Again run it. Yes. I think the first application is run. Okay. Close it. Enter, it will close out automatically. Enter. Put enter anything. Okay, come down. Why it doesn't show the second phone? Not there. You are in the reference general. Just go to the application general. In the left side, go to the application. Here, check it. Startup object. Click that. It doesn't show much. Resort. Next, go to the come down. Come down. What are the options available in the below box? You can change easily. Console and come down. Resource. Come down. Come down. Yeah, come down. Lot of option there. We will check it. Come down. Why it's not coming? Okay, no, 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 no. It went out. No problem. In the above box, console app box, in the above F5, we already how to run always, and in that toolbar, no. In that toolbar near the console app one, there is a downward button, no. There is a downward button above the module 1.vb. Above, little above. Go little above. Not here, Kana. Not here. In the toolbox. In the toolbox. Toolbar. Sorry, toolbar. Hmm. Go to below the menu, Kana. Menu bar. The tools menu is there, no? In there. In there. In the that's the correct location. Put down the drop down. Click here. So, what is the option is there? Configure the startup project. Click there. Here, console app. Click single startup project. Multiple startup project. Okay. Single startup project. What are the options available in there? What are the options available in only one option? Okay. Multiple. Select multiple startup project. From there, none is there. No. Select it. I think module is there. Start. Click the start. Click apply and OK. Uh, Now try to click the startup object now in the project window. Is there why the model doesn't show in your window? Mm, where's your scroll bar? Solution Explorer. Double click on it. Go to Solution Explorer. Right side. Right side. Top right side. Yeah. Click Solution Explorer. Bring your project. Kana. Okay. Right click on the module 1. Right click on it. Is there option to run? எக்ஸிக்யூட் சாரி எக்ஸ்க்ளூடுன்னு தான் இருக்குது எக்ஸிக்யூட் இல்லை கோ டு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் இருக்கு why it doesn't the second option also there no startup after the start now click the start we will try I couldn't find yes give yes always it's running the first okay go no need this is just a terminal go out it this is run always the first module doesn't run the second module actually right click on the module.vb right click on it the title bar right click on it is there any option to run right click on it no and the above little above start button is there no near the start button some unfilled triangle also there unfilled what is the option click yes The same way it's running, I think. The same file is running. Why? Akilan, wait, Kanna, wait, Rishu. Akilan also having the same screen. Um, I think it's like a. Oh,
I keep getting the same error.
oh, okay. You can,
I'm
but
trying to fix it, but it's not
okay,
working.
okay. What version you are using? I will search in the net.
Same as Rishi, I think.
What version? What version? Visual Basic?
Same as, yeah,
How to change
Rishi,
them?
I think.
Just change the module main module inside the main module. Some string is there, no argument as string. You can copy the particular parameter and it paste inside the another module. Then you can try. Wait, how to change module running? Module running. I'm searching in the internet. Wait a minute. You are using Visual Basic 2019, no? 21, has it? How to change the module? Console based. Akilan, what version you are using? Answer. You can create new public function. Mm, okay.
I don't know
Otherwise, you
which
can.
one.
Otherwise, you can for your practice. You can create new project every time. It will come up with only one module. In that module, you can cut and paste. Okay, your code you can cut and paste
Oh,
code.
okay.
Until find the solution. You can do like that. Can you understand
Monish,
what I am? Oh,
do
finished.
you,
Yeah.
Monish, do you have the error as well?
What for like this thing?
The sub main
Yeah, the
error.
build errors.
Yeah. You have the thing.
Also, you all have the errors.
Okay. Akilan, share your screen. We will see your screen. Dishu, you can stop, Kana. You can stop. Always create a new project. Okay, new project and copy that code.
I say mountain.
Simple. I went to learn that Microsoft.com. That they can edit. Create new project console based.
I keep getting this error.
Same error.
Yeah.
Add the code.
Rishi, put your. Why you do?
Wait. Build solution. Solution explorer. What is your name? Right click on the file. Open the file in File Explorer. Directly run. In File Explorer, navigate and directly you can run. In Microsoft, they're advertising to run in different way. No problem. Show your screen, Kanna. Show your screen. Ah, okay.
I am showing my screen.
Right click on that program. Sorry, module dot vb in the right side. Solution Explorer window. Right click on that. Right click on module 1.vb. Right click.
1 minute. I shared it. I shared it wrong.
Okay.
I put window, not entire screen,
Okay.
so it won't show.
Or fix the error somehow.
You fixed it.
Yeah.
What'd you
Super.
do?
I don't know. It just like randomly fixed.
I think Monish using another version.
Yeah, Marish is black, like him.
Bro, shut up.
No, that
He's
doesn't
in
matter.
black, but ours is
That is
white.
theme. Containing folder. Open the containing folder. Explore. Yeah, open the containing folder.
Ah, it's gone. Where is it?
Right click on it. Open
I'm
the
just
containing
hit it.
folder.
Where? Oh, here.
Down. Last second option. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It will come. From zoom it, Kanna. Within the bin, what you have inside the bin, what you have. Make the logo bigger. Make the icon bigger.
How?
Go to the hold down the control key, moves up, mouse scroll up. Yeah. Enough. Inside, go inside the bin. Go inside the bin. Inside the debug, go to debug. We will see. Okay, what are the inside? Go inside. Again, go inside. Zoom it. What is that? Is there any exe application? No, wait. Console.exe is there. Reference. Console.json file is there. Double click on the console app.exe. Console app1.exe. Double click on it.
It's here. It's this.
Uh, tab, only the first window is running. Is
It
it
works.
okay? Uh, how many module do you have in your application? Show your Microsoft window. Rishi, mute yourself, Kana. Rishu and Monish, mute yourself.
What do I need to show?
Your Microsoft Visual Studio. How many module do you have?
How do I check?
Yeah, module 1.vb and programs 1.vb. Okay. We checked, I think, module 1. Double click on the program.vb. Now you run the project, no? You run the project. In this way, you can run the project. Just find out the location. In Microsoft, they are saying like that. I will show you. I will show you.
It's not letting me run it.
Wait. But there is something else. But we need to switch.
What
You just
else?
stop your screen.
Okay. Photo, sleep
Arishu,
motion,
Arishu, look, Kanna.
motion.
Yeah, I'm here.
Rishu, you also having some problem, no? They are leading to look here. You need to just right click on the Explorer name, right click on your module, and choose the open file in Explorer. So I'm asking to open that. In that Explorer window, you can navigate the bin. We navigate into that side, no? Akilan, we navigate inside that bin. We navigate inside, went to the debug. Then we went inside the net 8.0. Is it .NET framework something? Inside that, your module name.exe files. This is executable file. Your module executable file. From there, you can run. In Microsoft solution, learn.microsoft.com, they lead us how to run
Oh,
because
okay.
because we have some problem, no? So this is
Okay,
the
that's why it worked for me just then.
yeah. Likewise, Rishu can also do. Rishu, share your screen now. I will guide you how to run
Okay.
for for a while, okay? But we need to find how to run from the application. We need to run. We need to find, okay? We can call. I think we can call using the module name. We will try. I will check and tell you. Okay. You can issue just to share your screen. Just follow my instruction. I will stop my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn on.
Go to the Explorer window now. Go to the Explorer. Solution Explorer, right side. You need to run the module 1. Is it? Double click on the module. Just double click. Listen and carefully do. Double click. This is your code. you need to run this code. Okay, for that,
Mm.
just right click on that code. You need to locate, right click on that. No, no, there right click there inside the solution explorer. Right click on it. Go to last second option. Open containing folder. Carefully read the instruction and go. Okay. So here bin is that no bin bin. Go to inside bin. This is your application location. Go to inside the bin. Double click on it.
Okay.
Bin. Where is bin?
No, I have a different.
No, first file is bin. No, the first. See the
Oh,
code. See the file. Double click. So this is bin folder. Inside the bin, go inside debug. This is one of the way, but this is not a right way to run. But what to do? No problem. Go to inside it. Here your application console app 1.exe there no that is the exe. Double click on it, it will run. That's that file, that is application file. But
open and closed.
oh, it went out. Double click again. Oh,
Open but closed.
I think you have some problem. Go to your code, run as administrator. Right click on it, run as administrator. Wait a minute.
Should put no.
Doesn't show anything? Right
It
click.
says, do you want to allow this?
Yes, yes. Because I can't see that image. It
It
went
doesn't work.
it went out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no problem. Minimize it. This way also not working for you. Why? Okay, dim. Okay, read line. You did it correct only. At last, just print a console dot. Okay, left side there is a triangle, no? Left side VB module 1.VB inside the solution explorer. Left side of the module 1.VB there is a left side triangle. No, come down little bit. Come down. Click that. What are they? Again, click that left side triangle. Not that left side triangle. Right click on it. Main. Right click on the main. Calls. Call. Try click the calls. Doesn't call anything. Double click on it. Double click. It shows nothing. But Akilan, it works for the Akilan. But
Yeah, it was.
it works. Okay, no problem. You just select the code and copy Kanna. Dim from the dim or from the dim up to the console. Dot right line. Copy the code. Control C copy. Okay. Now click file. Every time you need to create the new application issue, no problem. File, click file. You copied
Where?
no file menu. File. Where is file? Go to the menu. File menu. File menu. Not there, Kanna. In
Oh, there.
Microsoft Visual Studio. File. New project. We are going to create the new project. New project. Select again console application. The second application will select it and click next. Second application will open automatically. Next, click next, click create, wait for some time. The first application will closed, the second will be there. Erase the console dot right line alone, the one line, just erase the alone. Enter, press
One
enter.
second. I made a mistake.
What mistake? You did it
Upper
correctly. You
control
did
C
it
is
correct. No
control.
problem. You did it correctly. Enter and paste it.
Alright, if I do this,
Paste it. Control V. Oh, you
that's
made it Control C instead of Control V, huh?
uh,
Ayyo. Okay. Go there. Open. Again open the console one application. Open or recent. Go to recent file. Go to recent files. Select the module one. Yeah. Click on it. From there you can copy. Click. Select again. Copy. Close it. Module 1.vb because the file is alone. No, not there. Here. Yeah. Close it. Correct only, Kanna. Correct only. You did it correct only. Don't go. Don't go. You copied, no. You just close this
yeah.
module alone. Module 1.vb. Copy it and close this. Yeah. Close the file. Yeah. Now copy it. Erase neatly, Kanna. Erase correctly. Do not erase in meanwhile. No. Okay. Now save it and run. Now you will get correct. So every time you need to create new project, new console application, then only it will run. Wait a minute, it will take some time. Give any number, 100, 200, anything, give. So Akilan, give little number. You have to wait for some time.
Okay, a small number, say it.
Okay, okay. Press enter. Okay, second number. So 13. Okay. 100, 200 you can give, no problem. Enter. Press enter, it will go out. Akilan and Rishu, you every time you just create the new application, okay? Monish, you I think you don't have any problem with that. You
Yeah,
can.
I have a problem.
Oh, you also having some problem.
Not a
Okay, okay. Then calculate the mark statement in the console based mark statement and the age calculation. Everything you do. Tomorrow we will do with the login ID check பண்றது username and password we can check it, okay, because the time's up, no, we took a lot of time, no problem. So tomorrow we will see. I will show my program. Okay, tomorrow you can try with the odd or even. So using mod, if you want to find the, just look at the code. I have read one number. Then I'm trying to divide the number by 2. If the remainder gets 0, modulus division. Okay, it will give the remainder, not the quotient. If you want to quotient, you should put slash, but instead of slash I gave mod. So if if it gets divided by 2 perfectly, then the number should be the even. So just type a message like this: the given number 72 is the even number, otherwise it will give 71 is the odd number, likewise it will give. Okay, I need to give every time this line at the end because I want to see my output at the end. So I need to make my console wait using this line. But I think Rishu no need to put this line at the end of every program. Akilan also no need to put because you are using advanced version. For loop tomorrow we will learn. Okay, for loop. So using it,
Do you have class tomorrow?
what kind of?
Do you have class tomorrow?
Yeah, we have. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will message the timing. We will finish it
Okay.
earlier because tomorrow I have a train this time, so I can't able to take this time. I need to finish it as usual time. Otherwise, I need to finish it before that. Kindly tell your timing before. As usual, we are connecting in India time. I'm trying to connect at 3 p.m. No, but I want to connect tomorrow earlier because I need to pack something. I need to go long way
Okay.
to the railway
Um,
station. So try to say before this time. I will connect it. Okay, you plan and book the place.
Messages,
Ah,
message my mom when you want to,
ah, okay,
when, and she'll tell us.
okay, okay. Morning time when you all get ready. Morning time as usual. Which time you will get ready earlier?
We can have class earlier start 9 a.m. first.
Oh, 9
I
a.m.
can't do 9 a.m.
Ah, okay,
Rishi can't do 9 a.m.
I
okay.
go back in the morning, so I can't.
10 a.m. is it possible for
Papa,
you?
skip your biking.
I think 10 a.m. is
No,
okay.
10 a.m.
Rishi
possible?
won't be able to read its next lesson then.
Oh, Rishu can't attend tomorrow.
no. If we do it at 9 a.m., I can't come at 9 a.m. though.
Okay, 10 a.m. in your time.
Can we do it at 11 or
Okay,
10:30?
okay, 11 or 10:30 is it possible for you? Okay, okay, Rishu.
Yeah.
What about Monish and Akilan?
I'm fine about anything.
Okay. Akilan, what about you? Is it okay for you?
I'm fine with anything.
Oh, okay, no problem. We will try to connect this time. 11, okay, 11 p.m. We'll try. I will message. I will message. I will discuss with your mom and tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Look, this is if condition. Try to use this like you can try whether the given number is positive or negative. You can try with that also. You can find the biggest number and the smallest number. You can try all those things. You can find the pass or fail using some conditions. You can check your subject marks. Okay. Try. Take the screenshot and try. Okay. Try in the next class. Bye. Bye, Akilan.
Bye.
Bye, Munish.
Bye.
Bye, Rishu. Bye.
Bye.
Hmm. Bye, Kana.